What happens when you set out to build a gaming PC, but end up creating a masterpiece of confusion? Meet Alex, a tech nerd with a dream to build the ultimate gaming rig. Armed with YouTube tutorials and a stubborn determination, they dive into the world of components. Screws? Check. Cables? Check. But wait, what's this? A strangely shaped metal piece rolls out. Is that even supposed to be there? As Alex fumbles in frustration, they mix up components and accidentally douse their workspace in colorful paint from the art supplies nearby. Suddenly, wires and chips aren't just tech, they're art. Friends drop by, jaws dropping, declaring it modern art. Who knew failure could look so good? Sometimes it's not about perfection, but the joy of creating something unexpected. What would you create in the face of chaos? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative adventures.